Oh yeah, so we've got a bit of a leak on the toilet, and we were given these. This has a sort of 15mm pipe there, and I think it's 1/2 inch bolt there. It's got an olive on. I need to get that olive off, so I want to put a push fit on, and I don't really want to cut it because I've limited pipe in there, so that's push fit. So there's a tool you can get. It's actually an olive remover tool, and it comes in 2 parts really. This is for 22mm pipe, so that would be on a 22mm pipe there, and you unscrew that to get to a 15mm there, and you wind that all the way out. Now, first time I've used this.
There is another way to remove them as well, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yes,
But
that's the tool for the job, but there is another way.
This is a way of not damaging your pipe.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
that's the thing about it.
Literally.
Let's see if we can get this on there because it's a bit dark down there.
So you slide that onto your pipe there.
Yeah.
You bring your nut up.
So that's the compression nut that was on
Yeah,
there.
basically, yeah.
It's a bit fiddly because there's not very much room. That's not going on there, is it? It's gone the other way.
There we go.
There we go. It's just really probably got a bit of rubbish in there or
And
something.
you just hold it,
So
screw it in, and
that's
apparently
it's popped it off, hasn't it? You can hear it.
it takes the olive off.
Apparently.
Clearly it hasn't.
Push it on the pipe a bit more. It looks like that's on there a bit better now.
Yeah. It was a bit fiddly to get on there.
Yeah, that was the problem, I think.
I'm gonna just hold that with this little spanner. And the idea is you literally screw that into there, and it's supposed to pull it off.
You can see it's doing something. It's pulling it off the end, you know.
It's the first time we've used this. Oh, right, okay, so it's off
Let's have a close up there and see what it looks like.
there, and it hasn't damaged the pipe, which I was hoping to get in there, I should think.
It's lit olive.
It's quite a good tool.
So, do you know what the make of this tool is, or?
No, but I know it was from Screwfix.
Okay.
And I believe it was about 10 or something like that, might have been a bit more. It's one of those tools, so it fits 15 and 22mm by the looks of it. One of those tools that you really need. When you need it because I haven't got enough pipe, I can't even get a pipe cutter on there.
So, for those who've come across this video who might not want to buy the tool,
yeah.
what is the other way to remove an olive? Because there is.
What is it?
Well, it's a hacksaw. Cut it, but then you end up cutting the pipe, and
So
you end up pulling all the pipe.
Yeah, you could damage your pipe. That's your problem.
And you can make other bits of the connections loose.
Yeah, so I would just get one of these or borrow one. It's not worth not doing it.
Yeah.
In fact, your eyesight is better than mine. There's actually a make on there. Is it? It's not Rothenberg, is it?
It's here you go. It is monumenttools.com. Monument-tools.com.
Yeah.
I think we've got some other
It's
bits
brass, yeah. They're normally good tools. First time I've used it, I bought it just in case we ever needed it, and we've definitely needed it today on a Friday. Yeah, just before Christmas. So if you need to get an olive off a bit of pipe, you don't want to damage the pipe, and you're limited what you can do, pop down to Screwfix or Tool Station, Monument Tools. It's an olive puller basically. Yeah. Hope that helps somebody if they're in the same situation as we are. Thank you.